Hello. I'm just shuffling them. All right. Let me get my timer ready. Okay, so here we go. Establishing operation, recovery from punishment, procedure, formal similarity, tact, value altering effect, repertoire altering effect, combinatorial entailment, relational responding, reinforcer establishing effect, transitive condition motivating operation, point-to-point correspondence, interverbal, mutual entailment, reflexive condition motivating operation, relational frame, transformationist image function, surrogate condition motivating operation, echoic behavior, ablative effect, unpairing, copying a text function, altering effect, unconditioned motivating operation, abolishing operation, textual behavior, evocative effect, formal control, multiple exemplar training, tact, manned, behavior altering effect, verbal behavior, mediated reinforcement, condition motivating operation, mutual entailment, generalized operant, taking dictation, thematic control, reinforcer, abolishing effect, mutual entailment, verbal stimulus, audience, establishing operation, response product, combinatorial entailment, motivating operation. Does that count? Okay, so we have one incorrect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. 45 in total. 44 correct and 1 incorrect.